Jai Hind everyone. Today I, Cadet Muskan Gupta and Cadet Soumya would be telling you all what role did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar play in the making of the Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. He believed that his participation in Constituent Assembly helped the scheduled castes get some safeguards in the draft constitution. But he also stated that although the laws might exist, scheduled castes still had no reason to fear because the administration of these laws were in the hands of caste Hindu officers. He therefore urged scheduled castes to join the government as well as the civil services. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was appointed as the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee on August 29, 1947. He believed that the gap between different classes was important to equalize, otherwise it will be very difficult to maintain the unity of the country. He emphasized on religious, gender and caste equality. He introduced the reservation system to create a social balance amongst the classes. Dr. Ambedkar's constitution enabled the abolition of untouchability and the outlawing of all forms of discrimination. Due to all these contributions, Dr. Ambedkar is rightly called the architect of the Indian Constitution.
Upon India's independence on 15th August 1947, the new Congress-led government invited Dr. Ambedkar to serve as the nation's first law minister, which he accepted. On 29th August, he was appointed the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee and was appointed by the Assembly to write India's new constitution. The Indian Constitution and its drafting process are often seen as synonyms with Dr. Ambedkar. He was often seen as the father of the Indian Constitution and is probably the most well-known of all Constituent Assembly members. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar became a key figure in India's constitution-making process due to the offices he held and his interventions and speeches in the Assembly. He was the chairman of the Assembly's most crucial committee, the Drafting Committee, and was also a member of other important committees. As chairman of the Drafting Committee, he had to defend the draft constitution which it prepared and therefore intervened in nearly every debate. On behalf of the Scheduled Caste Federation Party, he wrote and submitted states and minorities to the Subcommittee on Fundamental Rights of the Constituent Assembly, a mini-constitution in itself. States and minorities framed strong social and economic rights. Comparatively, his interventions and speeches on various aspects of the Constitution were often insightful, well-reasoned, and scrupulously researched. This won him the support and respect of other members of the Assembly who allowed him to lead the constitution-making project. Thank you.